Most Canadians are one surprise car repair away from credit card debt, and it does not have to be that way. An emergency fund is simply cash set aside for life's curveballs, like a job loss, a broken furnace, or an unexpected vet bill. Canada's Financial Consumer Agency recommends saving 3 to 6 months of your regular expenses. If you spend $3,000 a month, that is between $9,000 and $18,000. That number can feel impossible, so do not try to save it all at once. Start with a goal of $1,000, then build from there. Even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 in a year. Just as important is where you keep it. Your emergency fund should be safe and easy to reach, not locked in investments that can drop in value. A high-interest savings account is ideal, and holding it inside a TFSA means the interest grows completely tax-free, with instant withdrawals when you need them. In 2026, you have $7,000 of new TFSA room to work with. This is education, not advice. Figures current as of 2026. Always check the latest figures with an official source.